Hey everybody, this is Bill with Family Handyman, and today we've got a really fun project. We're going to build a kid's climbing wall. Basic tools, skill saw, drill driver, some climbing holds. It's a really fun project. Let's get started. So here's what you're going to need for the project. I've got 4 2x6x8s. I got cedar because it's the outside of the structure to look nice. You need 15 1x6 pine boards that are 8 feet long. That'll make the face of the climbing wall. And then for the interior part, for the cross bracing, you'll need 6 just regular 2x4x8s. For hardware, I got 2.5-inch screws, 3-inch screws, and some 1 5/8 screws, 2 4-inch carriage bolts, some hook eyes, washers, and nuts. And don't forget, you need some 1-inch rope. I got about 12 feet of it. That should do. Okay, the first step is you're going to take your 4 2x6/8s, which I have laid out here, and you're going to cut 45-degree angles on the ends of each of them. When you do that, look for, bad ends. Try to make your cuts so that you lose that stuff. So now I'm going to make a template out of one of these legs to make the other 3. I laid it out so we got the short edge of our cut down there. I'm going to go 6 inches from the end here. I'm going to make a mark, and then at that mark, I'm going to go on that same short edge. I'm going to go in 1 inch here. The next thing I'm going to do is make a radius on the end here off of our point that we marked. I'm going to drive a nail into that point, and then I'm going to attach a string to it. I'm using my chalk line here. Tack the pencil onto it, hold it about 1 inch from the end, and then draw your radius. Okay, so now that I cut my radius, I'm going to go back to our mark where I had the nail in. I've got a 1/2-inch drill bit, and we're just going to drill right through there. So now that we've got the legs laid out, we're going to make the cross braces. We're going to cut 2 at 44 for one side, and then so that the 2 sides will nest together, we're going to go with 40 and 5/8 for the other side. So now our cross pieces are cut. I'm going to lay out where we're going to attach them on the legs. You want to mark 5 inches from the top and 6 inches from the bottom. Now that the frames are built, we have to cut the face boards out of the 1x6 that we have. Remember that the 2 sides of the frames are different widths. One is going to be 47 and the other one is 43.5. I'm going to cut 7 boards of each of those lengths out of my 1x6 stock here. Now that we have all of our 1x6s cut for the face boards, we're going to attach them to the frame. You'll want to start 2 inches down from the radius and then keep them tight and work your way down towards the bottom, setting 2 screws on either side as you go along. Now it's time to get the 2 sides of this A-frame together. We've got a 4-inch carriage bolt that's going to go through the top on either side, 2 washers that are going in between the 2 sets of legs, and then a cap nut that goes on the inside. So on the narrow side of the climbing wall, we decided we're going to hang 2 ropes down, and what we want to do is get this eye hook set in the right place. So we'll measure 10 3/4 from the edge, 2 1/4 down from the top, make a hole with 1.5 inch spade bit, and then place our eye hook in the right place so we can thread the rope through. The last step is to put on the climbing holds. These have 2 holes in them. You can orient them however you feel best. I'm going to use a 3/8 drill bit and randomly drill holes down along the way, but I'm just going to set one side of it, orient it, and then drill the other side of it. You just tighten them up using these barbed nuts and this hex bolt that comes with the kit. Here we have it all set up. We had a nice sunny day to get it from the shop and out into the yard here. You can spread the legs apart depending on how old your kiddos are and what their climbing abilities are. This was a super fun project, good excuse for me to get out of the house and do something for a day. Only really moderate skills, so if you don't consider yourself a carpenter, I encourage you to do this project for sure. It's a lot of fun, and the kids have a ton of fun once they get up and playing on it. So for more fun project ideas like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.